Every game, Fox.
Every game is Fox. Fox is love. Fox is life.
How's Fox in Smash 4?
I have no idea.
Oh wow, right after that.
He's not top tier. He's okay.
Viper versus oh my god.
I don't think he's top tier.
Oh?
We go straight into the next match. This isn't friendly. This is.
Please tell me this is mad. I want to see this happen.
This is grands, isn't it?
My dreams have been crushed too many times today. No, is this a match? This is actually a match.
I think it's the match,
oh my god. I'm excited for this. It's gonna be hard to commentate this, and I really just want to watch.
It's really hard to keep up with a spacey fight. You have to understand, like, they'll have control for a little while, but it's hard to tell exactly what's going to change.
Yeah, Shine just stopped it instantly.
There you go.
Like you start a combo, someone shines, now it's their turn to combo.
I don't think I've seen this Viper Boy play.
Viper Boy has just been a manner of characters today.
Yeah?
He's going different characters.
Everything?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's the best thing about PMs. You can diversify and switch it up a little bit.
You can use anybody, except Ice Crunch.
He knows what yours is. It's 20XY. Like, you can still play Falco if you want, but there you go. Yeah, that's what Falco's for. Denies people.
You want to approach? Laser. Oh, you want to come back up? There.
Yeah.
Like,
it's kind of flow chart.
Like, oh, you feeling happy? Multi-shines. Salt. Increase salt.
The actual taunts take work.
Oh gosh. That's it. Wow.
Yeah. Doing really good job.
Everybody's just sweeping this match up right now.
Yeah, voorhese is having a lot harder time getting him off the stage to try to gimp him.
Yeah, so you're gonna have this. Falco just all you have to do is get him off stage and he's dead.
Yeah, this is most of the fight that's gonna be played.
Yeah, like Falco's off stage, he's dead.
Yeah, off stage is dead. Yeah, that's how quick that stock goes.
Yeah.
If you're Falco, you're off stage. Once you're pretty much toast. If you're playing voorhese, you're pretty much toast.
I feel like most spaces are like that. If they get off stage, they're done unless you read it. In Falco's case, yeah. It reads. Oh, dumpster. You don't need to.
Good conversion from Viper. Picking up the first match.
Quick.
It was real quick. One shine will turn the tide of the hobo. There's one shine in there that it got Falco the control. They just got voorhese off the ledge and it's over. Another one, FD.
Oh, Dinos? I've never seen voorhese Falco.
Huh.
I don't think I've seen it.
I don't think I have either. Okay, I probably have, but I don't remember it. It was probably very good.
Wow. Thread the needle right there.
Yeah. For the precise spacing. He's very confident in his Falco, you can tell. When he goes in hard. He's patient with his combos. He's on point with his edge guard. Wow. 2 stocks gone like that.
It's Falco, just get him off, he's done. There's no.
Or he can't get close enough to the screen.
He's done if you dare him or waits. Wow. This is beautiful to watch. Wow.
There you go.
No force.
That's what I needed.
I honestly don't know what to say about this. It's just you can look at. I don't know what to say about this. So
they're both putting on a lot of pressure. Unfortunately, they really don't have a lot of options when it comes to the ledge. Like, they have to do most of their combos in a safe spot on the stage. I know, like, once it gets over here, like, this is serious. It's a dead bird.
Well, in this matchup, can he, oh, never mind, okay. I was thinking, can he, chain grab, like, Fox can? Like, Fox can chain grab Fox? I was thinking, can he do that?
I think Falco can chain grab himself. They don't do it much. Oh, tilt kill. Respect the disrespect.
Oh, no shine? That was shine pressure.
Jeez.
They both power shielded their lasers.
Oh.
Waiting.
He was waiting for the tech, but he forgot to punish.
Oh, wow. think if he went for a back air, probably got him. Probably would have killed him with that.
Made it through the lasers, couldn't make it back. All right, well, Voorhees brought it back a little bit. He's got some work to do. He's got some percent on him, but he might be able to pull his back.
Wow.
Piper was going to start moving to the ledge. Executed.
Wow, good reads.
Oh,
this
man.
is a perfect read. Missed it. Oh, no.
Too far.
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh,
not like
jump
this.
off the ledge, bad idea.
Not like this.
Not like this.
Like, oh my god, he's actually going back.
He was running back, he had a great string there, and he jumped off the ledge to try to spike or something to try to follow it. I don't know if he misread the DI or something, but it just put him in such a bad position. That's unfortunate.
Even a big thing. Pikachu though.
What? Pikachu?
Pika.
I don't even know what's going on anymore.
I think they played this earlier today. Not sure. Oh my god.
Space Killer. They're crazy jabs.
Yeah, I really can jab block in this game.
Jab City, man. Oh. Does Pikachu do well against spaces?
He did okay. So he can go off stage and gimbal.
True, yeah, his off stage is definitely better than Falco's.
And he also has some on stage.
Ooh,
wow. He has some on stage jank combos and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, chain grab.
Oh my god, the speed of those jabs. It blows my mind.
How does he do that? Like, how do people do that? Like,
too many inputs, I can't even handle it.
He can easily kill them. Just get him off stage, neutral him off there, and just come back. Like Axe did on that feed. That 1 minute combo.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that F smash so close. Falco feeling the heat off that. There you go.
Covered the option with the volt. Jolt, whatever.
It was a very good option cover. Trying to cover the ledge with the neutral B and then do the F smash tilt to actually kill him. That's what Pikachu needs. Some of those back throws. It moves him so far off.
Also, his back air. Pikachu's back air is also very, very good.
Yes, that'd be a very good way to try to take care of him. At least space him out a little bit. It was like Voorhees really wants to stay up on top of him and keep the combos going. Really wants to put him pressure all the time because he knows that Falco's going to respond in the same way. Dangerous scheme though. Oh, he went for the shine.
Wow.
Oh,
mind games. He's going back though. Alright, stop.
The neutral air, severed.
It's just that easy.
Yeah, it's that easy. The bottom of neutral air will kill Falco. You just had to not get killed first. That's the trick. There you go.
Why did he go for the
Oh no!
Why did he go? That was a weird option.
That was. I wonder if that was just a misclick or something.
He could have neutral aired him. He could have. He did something.
The hard reads. We'll never know. He had something in mind.
Well, maybe that was a better option. There's a reason he's over there.
Yeah. There's a reason.
Quoting TK Breezy, there's a reason he's still turning this commentating.
Oh man, he getting beat up pretty bad. He's trying to cover. Yeah, there you go. Saved him enough time to miss that F smash.
Reverse back air. That kill? Wow.
No. Oh no. Wow. There you go. Good F smash. Alright, we've got a chance at this point. Or he's going to be really wise how he plays it around the edge.
Wow. How do you get
that was like 2 or 3 jabs in the space of like 1.
He should have been a little bit further. Left.
Man. So close.
He could actually.
Smash up air.
Gets him off stage. If he gets him off stage, he wins. If he gets off stage, he wins.
Get one of those crazy Pikachu up airs. Shut down soon.
No.
Oh.
He had to go.
Wow.